Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18 and today I'm going to talk to you guys about the Pro ZXI series. This is a new series for 2022 by DS18. On the table I have the ZXI6.4. We're going to open the box up, talk a little bit about specs, show you the speaker, then we're going to put it on the board, blast some music, and you guys are going to tell me what you think. Let's start. Pro ZXI 6.4BM. DS18 manual, some stickers. Let's get this out of the way. So check out this bad boy. 6.5 inches, 4 ohm. It has an aluminum bullet. It has the plastic trimming around it. Cloth surround, glass fiber cone. It's 300 watts RMS, 600 watts max power. It has 97 dBs. Frequency response starts from 100 Hertz to 10 kilohertz. It has a 1.5 inch voice coil, and this monster is beautiful. It has that nice DS18 basket. Check out the DS18 connectors. Can't wait to hear this thing. So now to the fun part. Let's get this bad boy installed. Grab the phone and let's see what we got. Remember, EQ, let's find EQ. EQ, ready? BT, that's subs. Start the song. It sounds amazing, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. Remember, Pro ZXI 6.4BM now available on our website. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.